May mga ilan na nagtatanong sa akin ito, kaya let me answer it. So, ang tanong ni Jana, sabi po nila, bawal daw po ipagsama yung estrogen at male blocker sa isang tablet. Okay, I don't know if that exactly what they meant, but first of all, I am not a doctor, nor a chemist or pharmaceutical scientist, but I believe it's not bawal or prohibited naman. A fixed dose hormones or combined estrogen and male blocker hormones are actually not banned. In fact, there are many such brands and products available in the market like Dian 35, Micropil, and madami pang iba na combo-combo. A fixed combination of estrogen and male blocker like Simonax can still be effective for gender-affirming hormone therapy as long as the type of hormones and the dosage are appropriate for the individual. Okay, let's say for example for me, when I was in Italy until now, my endocrinologist always prescribed the same exact dosage and hormones, 4 milligrams estriol valerate and 25 milligrams oxyprotein acetate na nandito sa Simonax tablet brand. And of course, I'm using this because it's more convenient and my endocrinologist allowed me naman to use it. But my body is not your body. What works for me might not work for you. We have different responses to estrogen and anti-androgens based on the factors like genetics or body composition or previous hormone level. That's why some individuals needs to adjust their hormone doses. Okay? So, may mga endocrinologists talaga na hindi nila preferred ang fixed dose hormones because they have to adjust your doses based on your condition. Okay? Kaya nga palagi kong sinasabi na hindi lahat ng hormones ay kakahiyangan at pwede sa atin dahil hindi po tayo pare-pareho. That's why I always mention na magpakonsulta muna sa endocrinologist before using Simonax or any other HRT hormones in general so that mabigyan tayo ng tamang hormones that's suitable for us. But you know, all endocrinologists have different opinion when it comes to hormone replacement therapy or hormones for transgender people. Okay? So yun lang. I hope I answer your question.